Have you ever pondered how deeply technology impacts our lives, and more importantly, how it holds the potential to save them? In the vast realm of technology, a myriad of innovations are emerging, each with the potential to be a game changer. Today, we delve into the top 5 life-saving tech innovations that are redefining our world. First on our list is telemedicine. A term that was barely known a decade ago, telemedicine has now become a cornerstone in healthcare. It allows patients to consult with healthcare professionals from the comfort of their homes. This not only saves time and resources but also provides immediate access to medical advice, especially for those in remote areas. Next, we have the smart wearable devices. These gadgets are no longer just about tracking your steps or sleep. They have evolved to monitor vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and even blood oxygen levels. In fact, some even have the functionality to detect irregular heart rhythms, potentially preventing life-threatening conditions like strokes. The third innovation is artificial intelligence in healthcare. The potential of AI in diagnosing diseases and predicting health risks is truly mind-boggling. It can analyze data faster and more accurately than humans, making it an invaluable tool in early detection and prevention of diseases. Fourth on our list is the drone technology. Drones are not just for stunning aerial footage anymore. They are now being used to deliver medical supplies to remote and hard-to-reach areas. In emergency situations where every second counts, drones can often make the difference between life and death. Last but not least, we have 3D bioprinting. Imagine being able to print human organs. That's what 3D bioprinting promises. While still in its early stages, it has the potential to solve the organ shortage crisis and save countless lives. In conclusion, these top 5 life-saving tech innovations, telemedicine, smart wearable devices, artificial intelligence in healthcare, drone technology, and 3D bioprinting, are not just redefining the world of technology, but also shaping the future of healthcare. They are proof that technology is not just about making our lives easier, but also about saving them. As we move forward, it's exciting to imagine what other life-saving innovations technology will bring to our doorstep. Before we wrap up, let's remember that this is an ongoing journey. The technology that is shaping and saving our lives today is just the beginning. The future holds even more promise and potential. So let's engage with it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on technology and its impact on our lives. Stay tuned for more, and remember, technology is not just shaping our lives, it's saving them. Together, let's embrace the future.